Oh my god, this fucking microphone pube ball thing is super annoying. I need a hammer. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's like tickles my fucking mouth like a pair of balls. I don't like it.
I smoke chewy like a motherfucking nut. You got a gram bag, get the Zax and roll her up. Cause a nigga like me can't fake it when I'm high. Get the Visine for the tight red eyes. Jump in the cutlass with the niggas from the set. The blunt went out, but we ain't done yet. Get another one blaze like it's barbecue beef. There ain't nothing like a blunt full of funk in your teeth. Yeah, I'm a skinny 6'5" mother.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so there's my fucking KTM. There's a little 50 there, but fucking since I dicked myself on the 50, I gotta get this fucking bolt out of the bottom. Oh yeah, that's fucking too fucking small. Oh my god, look at all the motherfucking quad and fucking 50cc dirt bikes and fucking hot rod trucks and fucking Fords out here. Unfortunately. Alright, let's try fucking yeah. My bike's like, oh yeah, hammer me. This is what I like. I like to be hammered. God damn it, this pube ball microphone's gonna fucking piss me off. Any words. I need a wrench. Watch, I'll get lucky and this fucker will come out of there. That'd be nice. Well, you wouldn't have to do any welding on the KTM, which is scary as fuck. Huh? No, it's just because it's scary. I don't like welding on my bike. Oh my dick, where's the fucking wrench here? There we go. 16 millimeter. Okay, I don't think this is gonna fucking work, but... it's the wrong fucking size. Cocksucker.
A few moments later.
AIDS! Nope. It says, fuck you, I am not coming out. Please weld me into there. Oh, dick. Oh my god, it's so fucking rusty. There's fucking holes all over it. Oh my god, look at that ass.
You girls need a ride?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm going that way.
No.
I'm gonna lead it for you, little cheap beats. Whoa, what's that? She's hitchhiking.
Oh fuck, what are you doing? Oh my god, you're breaking my bike. You need a bigger hammer. Oh god. My helmet smells terrible. It does, it smells fucking gross. Oh yeah, come on Miller. Come on Big Blue. Come on Big Blue. Yeah. Miller Trailblazer. Watch out for the sensor!
I need some air in the tire, bud.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Put this right in the words.
Oh good. Alright, let me move it.
Thanks.
This is a big bitch. Oh no. Okay. How do we start this thing? Can I start it, please? I want to start it. I want to make it starting. Okay. Choke? Is it in gear? Oh yeah. What? Yeah. He wants me to disconnect my battery. Fuck. gonna get a new battery anyways. Oh, I'm an idiot.
You, sir, are an idiot.
It's a 6 mil, not an 8 mil. Fucking moron.
What are you, retarded?
As he calls me, 'cause I'm a fucking moron. Boy, I make the disconnection. No more miss the disconnection. I'm supposed to stare at this, right? Okay. I'm watching. Fucking, where do you want to ground it to? There you go. Oh my god. Okay, I'm watching. Oh, I like that. Yeah, buddy.
Do you wanna smoke some crack? Do you wanna smoke some crack? Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Do you wanna smoke some crack? Do you wanna smoke